Hey YouTubers, this is my wind-up car that I made. Yeah. So the way it works is when you wind this up, it winds an elastic band. Just put you here. It winds up an elastic band that's on here. So you wind that up. And when you let go, it will start spinning back, and there's a big cog here that's attached to a little cog here. It's on an axle connecting to this cog. This cog connects to a small cog down here which moves these back wheels. So it goes. It's not that good on carpet, but at least it does move. Just show you that now. I'm just winding it up. Well, it doesn't really move at all, but I just wound it up and it goes like that. So yeah, that's my wind-up car. Thanks for watching and goodbye.